Hello dear students, I am coming here with another chapter 1.3, the COP and the anthem. We have already completed two chapters. Now this one is introduced in the new test book, the course book, the English Bharati, the 12th course book. It is written by William Sidney Porter. The pen name of that author is O. Henry. He is famous with that name, O. Henry. Before starting this lesson, we have to see what the icebreaker activities are given in this lesson. Now we have to see the first activity. I am reading the first activity. The activity is very easy and the lesson is very interesting. When you come across this, you will find that this lesson is very interesting. Okay, now we are going to see what is the first activity. Suppose you have gone to a place where the winter season is very severe. Discuss with your partner the ways in which you would protect yourself in the cold climate. If you were in a cold climate, the winter is very severe. What precaution you will be going to take to protect yourself from that severe winter? Because there is very cold season. The temperature, you can imagine that the temperature is in minus degree. So what will be your precautions? The ways to protect from cold climate. There are four, he wanted to get answer from you. The four answers. The first one is you can protect yourself from the cold winter by sitting near the fireplace. Or you can wear the sweaters, blankets, gloves, socks. That's why you can protect yourself from the cold winter. As well as there are a number of ways. You have to close yourself inside the home. You use the room heaters. That can be also very good to protect yourself from that cold winter. So there can be the number of ways by which you can save yourself from that cold winter. Second activity. We have completed the first activity. Now we are going to see what is the second activity. When you see the cop approaching, you feel either relieved or scared. When you see the cop, here the new word for us is the cop. Cop means in our language police, which protects us from all the dangerous things. He works as a defense. If you see the police is approaching from you, there are two situations which is given here. The first one is relieved, the second one is scared. Two things are given here. Relieved means you can get comfort, and scared means you become frightened. रिलीव्ह म्हणजे तुम्हाला आराम मिळत आहे की त्यांचा आल्यावर दिलासा भेटत आहे की यार नाही पोलिसाला वाचलो. आणि स्केअर्ड म्हणजे नाही रे पोलिसाला झालं गेलं. टू थिंग्स आर देअर. व्हॉट आर दिस सिच्युएशन? नेम द सिच्युएशन्स. व्हॉट ही इज एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम यू? व्हॉट विल बी युअर रिएक्शन? Or what are the situations that you are going to mention here? I am again reading this question number second. When you see cop approaching, you feel either relieved or scared. Discuss with your partner the situation when you feel relieved or scared. Relieved. The first one is given here. You are walking alone in a dark street. When you are walking alone in a dark street, you will get relief when you see the cop, when you see the police. The second situation is when you see some dangerous persons are there, some unknown persons are there. You are in an unknown city, you are traveling in an unknown road, and you find that the road was very dark and you are facing the very difficult situation. At that time, if you are going to see the police, at that time definitely you get relief. Second situation, if you are going and you find that some fighting is going on, there are only you will be only there, then only you can feel relieved when you see the police. Suppose some girl is going there and some teasing is going there with from the boys. At that time, if you see the police, if you see the cop, you can get relieved. You can get the relief from that situation when you see the cop. So there are number of things which you will be going to add here when you get relief from that situation. The second situation is that when you feel scared. तुम्हाला कधी भीती वाटते? Suppose you are riding a bike without a valid driving license. The first one is given here. You are riding a bike without a driving license. At that time you might feel the scared. You are riding the bike without helmet. At that time you might get scared. Second, the current situation is that if you are not going to wear the mask and if you see the police at that time in this position of COVID-19, you must have to be get scared. समजा तुम्ही विदाउट मास्क जाताय, पोलीस तिथं दिसताय, तुम्हाला नक्कीच घाबरलं पाहिजे, कारण आता काय चालू आहे, कोरोना चालू आहे, COVID-19 चालू आहे, त्यावेळेस सुद्धा तुम्हाला घाबरावंच लागेल, त्याशिवाय पर्याय नाही आहे. If you are going to break the signal. Now come for the third activity. The activity which is given here is discuss some motivating things that can change a person's life. One is given, listening to an inspiring speech. If you are in a frustrated condition, you become desperate. At that time, some things will change your life. Some motivational things must be there which can boost you, boost your temperament to do some good things. So what are that motivational things? From where you can get that tonic? This is the question. This is the objective of this question. For that, you can do is, you can hear the motivational speeches from the YouTube. You can see also the motivational speeches from the YouTube, as well as you can read the biographies of some great leaders that can influence you and that can change your life. Or you can see in your day-to-day life, there are some motivating person in your surrounding. The thing which you are going to do is that you go there, you meet with that personality, you have to talk with them, get some clues from those personalities and inspire you. That will change your life. की तुम्ही समजा खूप बेकार अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये, खूप नैराश्य अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये गेले आहात. अशा नैराश्य अशा परिस्थितीतून निघायचं आहे तुम्हाला, तर काय करावं लागेल असा हा प्रश्न म्हणताय. त्यांनी पहिले दिलं आहे की तुम्ही काही मोटिवेशनल, इन्स्पायरिंग, प्रेरणादायी असे स्पीचेस ऐका. त्याचबरोबर तुम्ही काय करू शकाल, तर नक्कीच खूप सारे मोटिवेशनल लीडर्स, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स या यूट्यूबवर आहेत आणि त्या यूट्यूबवरून तुम्ही खूप चांगल्या चांगल्या लोकांचं जे काही भाषण आहे किंवा जे काही बोलणं आहे ते तुम्ही ऐकू शकता, बघू शकता. त्याचबरोबर मोटिवेशनल जे आपले ग्रेट लीडर्स आहेत त्यांच्या बायोग्राफीज तुम्ही वाचू शकता, त्याच्यातून तुम्ही मोटिवेशन घेऊ शकता. त्याचबरोबर तुमच्या गावामध्ये सुद्धा काही काही लीडर्स किंवा काही काही असे ऑर्डिनरी लोक असतात की जे त्यांच्या सामान्य परिस्थितीतून ते मोठे झाले असतात अशा लोकांकडे तुम्ही जायला पाहिजे, त्यांना भेटायला पाहिजे, त्यांच्या लाईफमध्ये अशा कोणत्या घटना झाल्या त्या त्यांच्याकडून माहीत करून घ्यायला पाहिजे, ते आपल्या अंगवळणी आणायला पाहिजे आणि तुम्ही समोर जायला पाहिजे. अशा प्रकारचं ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी होती नंबर 3 ची आईस ब्रेकर ऍक्टिव्हिटी. आणि ह्या आईस ब्रेकर ऍक्टिव्हिटी नंतर नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपण बघूया की हा लेसन कसा समोर जात आहे, द कॉप अँड द अँथम याच्यामध्ये काय दिलं आहे हे आपण नेक्स्ट लेसन मध्ये बघूया. थँक्यू.